Everyone needs to visit Ghana. Visiting Accra for the first time was so beautiful. And what was my favorite part of the trip? Meeting the people. And I'm glad that I had the opportunity to go to my #1 destination. And I just came back home knowing that I'm truly blessed. Yes, I'm truly blessed. Hey! So first things first, I have to shout out my brother, the Black Mamba, Ludo. Appreciate you for inviting me on this trip. Really enjoyed rocking with you during Dirty December. But love you, fam. You know it's the #1 goal of mine as well to get out to Cameroon, so we're gonna make that happen soon. Next, I have to shout out Amawako. Brother, you are truly inspiring. I didn't get much time to, introduce myself and speak to you, but it was an honor to celebrate with you. So to be honest, Ludo, he said he was gonna be in Ghana in December, so I was like, I'm gonna go. I always wanted to go to Ghana, so it didn't take too much convincing. Hopped on the flight. First landed in Morocco, had a layover almost a day, and then we were in Ghana 4 hours later.
Watch me pull up, all this ice on me. Only show up if it's worth to see. Waste my time and money, and my dark side will show its worth. Don't be acting funny, cause we don't play them games round here. Drip on the beat, my honey make dollars. First class seat, yeah, I'm flying on Prada. Don't talk about designer, you can even offer me the finer things. Drip on the beat, my honey make dollars. First class seat, yeah, I'm flying on Prada. Don't talk about designer, you ain't never seen a finer thing.
Come to find out, we in Ghana to celebrate the launch of Amawako's residency. And I'm an artist in my own right with photography and videography, but the artists that I met out there, incredible.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
This is the material that I use. It's called Gono sheet. So most of the time, if I'm doing the figurative portraiture, I normally cut the materials, then I'll glue and I'll use our gun. After I'm done with the gun, I'll just take out the pins and paint the characters, and so that's the basic, how the process is.
Means which was used to colonize us, and we've still, even though we've gained our freedom, we've still held on to it so tightly. Like the older generation feel like you are promiscuous if you dress in a certain way, but Ghana is hot. Not if you hot. Yeah, so you can't come in here. So basically,
it's grass. It's not good.
Tom Brady over here.
No.
Okay, so I told him I like it really soft.
Nah, it's running out.
You nasty as fuck.
Oh, this is a petty hammer. Oh, you picked it over, but
I mean,
Every day I was so energized. And maybe it was the sun because it was hot, but truthfully, my spirit was filled because when I was walking on the streets, when they, found out that I was American, they would say, "Welcome home, brother, welcome home." And that just really, like I said, just filled my spirit. Now, there was one night in particular that I'm really gonna cherish, and that was playing football, really just watching and filming. I got a chance to hop on the field, but playing football with the artists that were in the residency and just the surrounding community as well. Wow, that was dope. I got some cool shots, flew the drone over the cage, and when I tell you, them brothers is serious when they play in their sport. They not holding back anything. They going in for tackles. It's intense. They shouting, they arguing with the referee. No, it was serious business. That's why I had to stay on the sideline for the most part. So I truly recommend y'all go visit the continent. Just be open to visiting new places, trying different foods, exploring different music, a different culture, and of course, meeting the people. Because when you're open to them and they'll be open to you, if they're accepting of you, they're just gonna fill your spirit in ways that you just can't imagine.
And on me, don't try me, protect it, can't touch this. And on me, God only, disciple, false idols. Oh, you're beautiful, tell me what you wanna know. Lost in the deep end, and I can't pretend. I'm not invincible, goddamn powerful. Tell me what's left when we're at the end. Time, let you go by. The way you walk the line, don't need no wings to fly. You decide